So let me just show you something with this. So what we had is we had snow. This was all snow. Yesterday we got a warm day, 50 degrees and rain, and it all melted. Well, not all of it, but most of it melted. And I was throwing some sawdust on top of some snow that was on the sawdust, and if you take this shovel, you can see it's nice and hard underneath there. But if I dig in here, we will see there's a layer of snow because it's insulated so well. There's snow down in here that has not melted because of that insulation factor. It doesn't even look touched. So, yep, look at all that snow. Just a light layer.